Students, welcome to the third video class of the chapter Resistance and the First War of Independence. I hope you have seen the previous video class of this chapter in which we learned how the rule of British adversely affected the farmers and increased their hardship. And today we are going to see the British exploitation against the tribals. Tribals are the people who live in the forest and their livelihood depend on traditional farming and forest products. So students, let's begin the topic against the tribals. That is the exploitation of British against the tribal people. The intrusion of the East India Company was not limited to the agriculture sector. Here the word intrusion means forcefully entering into the life of tribal people. Thus, we can say that the Britishers forcefully entered into the lives of tribal people. The Britishers framed different laws to exploit the forest resources. These laws gave absolute control over the forest. These laws disturbed the collection of forest products and adversely affected the tribals' traditional farming. The forests were rich with mineral deposits, and to destroy these, British constructed roads and railways to these regions. These measures of British increased the miseries of tribals. So students, let's take a review of what we learned today. The topic was against the tribal, that is the intrusion or the forceful entry of the company was not limited to agriculture sector. They framed many laws to exploit the forest resources, and these laws gave the company full control or the complete control over the forest, and this disturbed the collection of forest product and adversely affected the tribals' traditional farming. The tribal region was rich in mineral deposits, and to exploit these, the British constructed many roads and railways to these regions. All these measures or the laws implemented by British increased the miseries of the tribals. Students, in this small box we can see information about the beginning of railways. It was launched on 16th April 1853. The first train was from Bombay to Thane, and it was flagged off at 3:35 p.m. on that day, and the train had 14 coaches that carried 400 passengers. And on March 1861, the first train in Kerala ran from Tirur to Bepur.